Good evening, Niranjan and Hamsini.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
How are you guys?
Fine, sir. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Yes,
How are you?
fine. Yes, we'll wait for a few seconds. Everyone is going to join.
Sir, I'll submit the assignment either today night or tomorrow,
Yeah,
sir.
no issues, no issues. I
Yeah.
gave the time. Today I'm going to upload the physics assignment. Who is in physics, please wind up that also by Sunday.
Okay, sir.
Puja holidays, when it will start for you?
We don't have, sir.
Okay. Niranjan, syllabus was completed math?
No, sir. In our class, they are teaching arithmetic progressions.
Okay. Another section?
Same, sir.
Okay.
Same, sir.
Mostly this weekend, I will request ma'am to take up the human eye, that biology part, that structure of the human eye. I'm going to discuss today. Saturday is fine, guys.
Okay, sir.
Evening or morning?
Evening, sir. Morning we have school.
I will check with the ma'am. If she was free, I will ask her to take a session on human eye.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. We start. Meanwhile, others will join automatically. We'll see a few questions related to probability. After that, we'll move to the coordinate geometry. The next part was next topic we are going to discuss is coordinate geometry. All these topics, what we are discussing now are all are very lighter topics. Like introduction, these are the introduction for us. So that these things will be continue in our upcoming classes like 11th and 12th. So these are like ABCDs in probability and coordinate geometry, just basics. Coordinate geometry and probability already started in ninth standard. Slowly it will continue up to your engineering level if you choose in engineering. Yeah, just I will give all questions are a little simple only. Probability only the thing is you have to understand the question properly. There is no much calculation here like other topics. Yeah, the question was a box contains. Good evening, madam. A box contains five red marbles, eight white marbles, and four green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability of probability that the marble taken out will be first one is red, the second one is white, the third question is not green. Solve this one. Total number of marbles.
Finish.
5 plus 8 plus 4. 17. Probability of getting red marble. So number of red marbles divided by total number of marbles. 5 by 17. Please write the proper steps. I am not writing here. Probability of getting white marble. White is how many? 8 by 17. Probability of getting not green. Not green means probability of complementary of green. That is 1 minus probability of getting green. Or straight away you can take our probability of getting red and white is also known as not green. So this will be can be written as 1 minus 4 by 17, that is 13 by 17. This is one method. Or not green means probability of getting white or red, that is 13 by 17. Anything can be same. 5 by 17 plus 8 by 17, that also you can able to write. So any method you can follow. Using complementary method also you can follow, or using general discussion method also you can able to follow. This is how we can solve. But you write what is a PR, what is a PW, what is a PG dash, or what is a PWR, or on all the things, please write. Examination. Well, your practice doesn't matter, but in examination you have to write. If done, I will move to the next question.
Finish, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is a spinning wheel. The spinning wheel is designed in such a way it contains 8 numbers attached with an arrow mark. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is fixed at center, which is freely rotating. There is a pointer. If I spin this, the pointer will shows any one number. So if I spin, what is the probability of getting the pointer on 8? What is the probability of getting an odd number? What is the probability of getting a number greater than 2? What is the probability of getting a number less than 9? What is the probability of getting an even number? Calculate, solve, and let me know what is the answers. Yes. Anyone got the answers? Let me know. Sometimes the question, the time taking to read the question itself will take more time than the solution. Anyone got the answer?
Yes, sir.
What is the probability of getting 8?
Sir, 1 by 8.
1 by 8.
By 8. Getting a odd number?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
So 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. Getting a greater than 2?
3
5
by
by
6 by 8. That is equal to
3 by 4.
3 by
3
4.
by
Less than 9?
1.
8 by 8, 1. Even number?
1 by 2.
So 4 by 8, 1 by 2. Simple. Next question. Two players, Sangeeta and Reshma. I think this question will be available in NCERT book. We'll check. Two players. It's not here. Just make a note. Two players. Sangeeta and Reshma. Play a tennis match. It is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning the match is winning the match is 0.62. What is the probability of Reshma winning the match? You have to use the concept of complementary. See, steps are very much important. Why I am mentioning the steps when you are solving an examination? Because of there is no much calculations here. How to calculate, guys? P of winning the match by Sangeeta is 0.62. That means P of losing the match by Sangeeta will be equal to 1 minus 0.62. That is nothing but 0.38. Losing the match by Sangeeta is nothing but P of the match winning by Reshma. That is 0.38. So it's a like complementary events. Both are. If one is winning, automatically another one is losing. So not winning comes under winning the Reshma. So simple. If you are clear, I will move to the next question. If you are clear with this concept and how I solved, I will move to the next question. Guys,
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir.
yeah, just make a note of
Yes,
next
sir.
question.
Yes.
There are 40 students in class 10. There are 40 students in class 10. Of a school whom 25 are girls and 15 are boys. The class teacher has to select one student as a class representative. She writes the name of each student on the separate card. The cards are identical. So what the teacher done? She took up so many cards, which is identical cards, and each and every card contains each and every student name. One student name on each card, and she puts all the cards in a bag and she shuffled. I'm not going to write that data here. And she draws one card from the bag. So what is the probability of getting that card should be a boy's name, a boy name, and what is the probability of getting the card should be a girl name? It's very simple, guys. Just read out the question. I have not completed the question. Just I wrote the important data. After that, she took 40 cards, and each card she written one name on each card, and she kept in a bag and shuffled, well shuffled. And she took randomly one card. So what is the probability of getting the card is a boy's name, and what is the probability of getting the card is a girl's name? Just 2 minutes time, you just try. I'll be back in a second. Yes, guys. Let me know the answer. I think anyone got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How many boys are there? Number of boys, number of girls. If you found, automatically answer will come. Number of boys in the class,
15,
15. Number of girls.
20.
25.
So from here you can able to calculate the probability. So getting the probability of a girl's name is 25 by 40. That is how much? 5 by 8.
5 by 8.
So you can do 1 minus 5 by 8, or straight away you can write 15 by 40. Anything will give the same answer. 1 minus 5 by 8 is 3 by 8. 15 by 40 also 3 by 8. So getting the boy's probability is 3 by 8. Getting the girl's name is 5 by 8. So which is having more chances? The girl's name, girl will be as a representative as the more chances in the situation. Yes. I can go for next question.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Savita and Hamida are friends. Savita and Hamida are friends. Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability of both will have birthday on different days, on different day in a year, different days or different dates in a year, and same day. What is the how many chances having same day birthday? Ignore leap year. Ignore leap year. So no need to consider leap year. How to do this question? Anyone got the answer, guys?
The first one is 364 by 365.
Correct. Second one will be 1 by 365 automatically, which is not on different day. Using the complementary concept. Anyone having doubt? Can you explain who got the answer? How you done?
The same day I found, sir. So 1 plus 1 is equal to the same day plus different days, sir. So I subtracted, I got the answer.
Okay. Any other explanation can able to give? Niranjan or Akash, anyone?
Sir, can I try?
Yeah.
Sir, in a year, if it be either uh, on the same day or different days, sir. So if it is in the different days, um,
Yes, proceed.
same day, there are chances of getting same day also, sir. So we have to subtract one.
Any other explanations? Anyone? I will move to the next question. Anyone is not clear? Please let me know, guys. I will explain. Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If 65% of the population have black eyes, if 65% of the population have black eyes, %25 have brown eyes, and the remaining have blue eyes. What is the probability that a person selected at random has blue eyes, brown or black eyes, neither blue nor brown? Complete this question.
So the first one answer is 0.1.
Yes, 1/10.
Second one is 0.9.
Yeah.
The
What is the
third,
first one answer?
first one is 0.1, sir.
0.1. Correct. Second one?
0.9.
0.9.
0.9. What about third one?
15/20.
0.65.
0.65.
Shall I move to the next question?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Cards marked with all 2-digit numbers are placed in a box and are mixed truly. Is shuffled. One card is drawn at random. Find the probability of that. The number on the card is divisible by 10. A perfect square number. Prime number less than 25. First find the total numbers between 1 to 100. How many are 2 digits? Sandhya? How many are 2 digit numbers between 1 to 100? Or in out of all numbers, how many are 2 digit numbers?
90.
90. Is it right? 0 to 9 is 9 number. Sorry, 1 to 9 is 9. 1 to 100 are total 100. 1 to 9 is 9 and 100 is 10. So 100 is the 3 digit, 1 to 9 is single digit. So remaining are 2 digits. So 90 numbers are 2 digit numbers. So based on that, we can proceed.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, by 4:45, I have a meet with my Hindi teacher. At that time, can I drop off?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the first one answer is 0.1.
Yes.
The second one is 1 by 15.
Correct.
Third one I'll do and then listen.
Yeah. There are 10 digits which
Sir?
is divisible by 10. There are 10 digits which can be divisible by 10.
Sir, for that prime numbers question, is it 5 by 90?
Correct. 1 by 10, the answer is 0.1. A perfect square number. How many perfect squares are there? 2 digit perfect squares.
6, sir.
How many?
6.
6.
So 6 by 90. That is how much? 1 by 15. How many prime numbers less than 25? 11, 13,
17, 19, 20,
17, 19,
23.
23. 5 by 90.
5 by 90.
That is 1 by 18. So these are the answers for this question. Last question we will do like this. We'll go for the coordinate geometry after this. Moving to the last question for the probability. Rest of the questions you try. Any doubts, you let me know in any class. Not a problem. Please collect the different books or different resources. What are the material I am sharing? Solve the questions. Cards with numbers 2 to 101 are placed in a box. A card is selected at random. Find the probability of that the card has an even number, a square number, a two-digit number, prime number. Calculate, guys. First of all, between 2 to 101, how many numbers? Total numbers are how many?
100, sir.
Correct.
Sir, first one answered 1 by 2.
Correct. Total number of even numbers are 50.
Yes. Second one 0.09.
3 by 100. So 1 by 2. Squares. How many square numbers are there?
9.
9. Nine by 100. 0.9. This is 0.5. How many two-digit numbers are there?
90.
0. See, this is 0.09. This is 0.9.
Yes, sir.
How many primes are there? Between 1 to 100, how many prime numbers, guys? Between 1 to 100, it's a default 25 prime numbers. So 101 is also a prime number. Total 26 prime numbers between 2 to 100. 101. So 26 by 100 is 13 by 50. If you want, I will write the prime numbers between 2 to 101. The prime numbers is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. 19, 23, 29, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 37, 38, 9, 40, 43, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97, 101. These are the prime numbers between 0 to 100 or 101.
Excuse me, sir.
Clear? I will move to the next topic.
Sir?
Yes, who is this?
Sir, Hamsini, sir.
Yeah, you can
I've
leave. You
got-
can leave. No problem. Not a problem.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Guys, I can move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
We'll start or we will do some probability questions and we will start in next class. Coordinate geometry. Your wish. That is also only one class. Which you want? We will do some numericals or we will start coordinate geometry. What do you want, guys? Akash, Amrita, Niranjan, and Sanjay. Please.
Anyhow, it's okay, sir.
Anything is fine, sir.
Okay. I will give the introduction and we are having 3 subtopics in coordinate geometry. Yes, I'm going to start the coordinate geometry. The introduction of the coordinate geometry, everything gave in the introduction and everything gave in the 9th standard we already received. Generally, coordinate geometry will refers about to axis in the space. It will refers a plane. We can locate any point. It's like a kind of reference system. We can locate any point in this. We can represent any plane figures in the form of algebraic equations. That is the main agenda of the coordinate geometry. Certain concepts we can do very easily and very simply using the coordinate geometry system. Instead of doing general algebraic methods, coordinate geometry will make us to solve the some geometrical situations or numericals very easy. So what is the x? There are two axes: x-axis, horizontal, y-axis, vertical axis. Both the intersection point is called origin. 0 comma 0. There are two ordinates. That's the reason we will call as the concept is coordinate geometry. Two ordinates, x comma y. X represents distance along x-axis. Y represents distance along y-axis. If I'm drawing the parallel lines at both the point, the meeting point will give the location of the coordinates. So the x coordinate is called what? What is the name of the x coordinate and what is the name of the y coordinate?
Abscissa
Hmm?
ordinate.
Abscissa and
Abscissa
ordinate.
coordinate.
Abscissa and ordinate. So how to locate the points we already done in the x coordinate generally will call as abscissa. The y coordinate generally will call as ordinate. So we already done in a graph how to locate the 2 points. If I'm giving certain points, suppose if I'm giving 1 comma 2, minus 3 comma 4, how to locate it? It's very clear. So this is minus 3 on the x-axis, this is plus 4 on the y-axis. Draw a vertical at minus 3, draw a vertical horizontal line at plus 4, and where both are meeting, that is only the minus 3 comma 4. This is how we can represent a point in a space. Correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this already we done. Now we are having just continuation of the topic. Like what are the thing we done in 9th standard? The continuation of the topic only we are going to discuss here. Suppose if there are 2 points in a plane. That plane is referred with a two-dimensional coordinate geometry. So automatically, one axis refers positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, and negative y-axis. Intersection point is origin. There is a point A and there is another point B. A point refers x1, y1. That means if I'm taking the distance from the x-axis, suppose if I'm taking this distance, if I'm drawing the lines perpendicularly to the respective axis, what are the distances I'm getting? This distance A represents x1 comma y1. So this distance is x1, this distance is y1, and B represents x2, y2. So this everything need to measure from the origin because it's like a reference point. This is y2. So from here to here. Now, suppose a point, an object is at A initially, after some time it is moved up to B. So how to calculate the distance traveled by the object from A to B? So here we are going to use distance formula. How to calculate the distance traveled from A to B using the coordinate system and not because if it may be any location. Suppose my A is here, if my B is here, I can't say I can't use particular strike method. I can locate on the graph how I can measure using a scale. So, but that won't work always. We have to find an analytical method without using the graph. How I can calculate distance travel from A to B, or what is the distance between 2 points located in a coordinate system or rectangular coordinates. This is called rectangular coordinates or coordinate system. Three-dimensional or three-dimension is different. Rectangular coordinates is different. Real axis is different. So how to calculate? So there is a formula. I will show the derivation for the formula. If A x1 y1 B x2 y2 are 2 points in a coordinate reference system, a rectangular coordinate system, the distance between A and B can be calculated analytically using the formula. Will be equal to the distance of AB square root of subtraction of abscissas whole square plus subtraction of its ordinate whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So how to derive this formula that I will show you here. Suppose if I am taking a point, I am extending this. Its projection is here. Suppose a dash is a b bx, sorry, ax. This is ay by. I am extending this line like this, and I am joining a to b. This point I am taking as n. So what is the a n value? A dash a is x1. From a dash to n is x2. So from here to here is x2 minus x1. This is y2 minus y1. Now x and y are always perpendicular to each other according to the concept of coordinate system. That is a definition of the coordinate system. Both are at right angles. The axes are both are at right angles. So AN is parallel to x-axis and BN is parallel to y-axis. Automatically the angle here is 90 degrees. How I can calculate the length of the AB? AB is equal to AB square. According to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AN square plus BN square. What is the AN value? X2 minus x1 whole square. BN value is y2 minus y1 whole square. This is AB square. So from here AB can be written as, in a simplest form, subtraction of its abscissa square, square of the subtraction of abscissa square plus subtraction of the ordinates square. So this is how we can able to calculate the distance of AB. This formula is called distance formula. Like this, we are having three exercises with three different formulas. One formula, one exercise. Another formula, another exercise. The first formula explains about the distance formula. The second one is section formula. Third one is area of triangle. If I am giving three coordinates in a space or in a plane, if I join three coordinates, I will get a triangle. So how to calculate the area of triangle? This area of triangle concept is eliminated from the textbook. This area of the triangle concept is eliminated from the textbook for this year. So just I will give the formula. I will explain one or two questions from the area of triangle also. But major focus should be on the distance formula and section formula. Area of the triangle formula also should be important for your higher studies. So this is only one formula will be useful to solve our first exercise. It's very simple, just a substitution of the formula straight away. So if I'm going for exercise 7.1, the first question refers, find the distance between the following pairs of points. They gave the 2 points, two pair of points. Calculate the distance between them. So this is P, I am taking this is Q. PQ will be equal to, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. 4 minus 2 whole square. What is the formula? Distance between 2 points when they are giving in coordinate system x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This will be equal to 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 2 whole square is how much? 2 square. 1 minus 3 whole square is minus 2 whole square. This will be 4 plus 4, root 8. That can be written as 2 root 2 units. Will you calculate? Try for these questions. Minus 5 comma 7 minus 1 comma 3. Can you try? Anyone can try? Guys? Niranjan, Sandhya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, try this question. And the third question is also I'm giving. Try these two questions. Find the distance between a comma b minus a comma minus b.
Sir, second one 4 root 2.
Sir, third one 2B, sir.
2b. Let me check. What is the first one answer?
4 root 2.
4 root 2.
4 root 2 is the right answer. Root 32 will be the answer. That is 16 into 2. 4 root 2 is the right answer. The third one is minus a whole square plus minus b whole square. So this will be 2a whole square. That is 4a square plus 4b square. Answer is 2 root of a square plus b square is the answer. Careful with the signs.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Generally, they won't ask for higher level numericals straight away distance. They will ask indirectly to use the distance formula. There are many applications. You can able to prove if they're giving the points, what kind of points, whether it will form a triangle or whether it will form a rectangle. That kind of questions they will ask here. See this question. Determine if the points are determine if the points are A 1 comma 5. If they are not giving the names, you can put some names A, B, C, P, Q, R, like that. B 2 comma 3. C minus 2 comma minus 1 or collinear. When you can say a few points are collinear means 2 points is always form a line. If third point is also on the same line, suppose if A, B, C are on a same line, then it will cause then those points are called collinear lines. If 3 points are lying on the same straight line, those 3 points are called collinear lines. Sorry, collinear points. Collinear, all are lies on same line. Now, how to prove this one? If the points are collinear, we are having two ways. One is find AB, BC, and AC. Take the biggest value of the distance, and that should be equal to sum of the remaining two. Or prove that the triangle formed by these 3 points, triangle ABC area is 0. When a triangle area can be 0, that means it's not forming a triangle. Triangle of a area is 0 means those 3 points will form a straight line. But we don't know how to calculate the area of the triangle in this case. That's the reason we are moving to distance formula only. Find the distance AB, find the distance BC, and find the distance AC. Calculate and first find the distances. I will let you know after that how to proceed. What is the AB distance?
Root 5.
2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. This is 1 plus 4 root 5 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 of minus 3 whole square minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2. Sorry, this is 11. Sorry guys, this is 11. C is minus 11 minus 2 minus 11. So minus 11 minus 3 whole square. This is 16 plus 196. How much, guys? Minus 2 whole square minus 11 minus 3 whole square. How much? 196 plus 16. How much? 200 and
212.
what is the AC value? Minus 2 minus 1 whole square. Minus 11 minus 5 whole square. This will be 9 plus 16 square is how much? 256, huh?
Yes, sir.
256 up 16. 25. 256. So this will be how much?
Root of 265, sir.
Up to 65. So how we can prove all the three are same or not? Is it possible to prove? One, 5, 2, 3 minus 2 comma minus 11. How we can prove whether it is collinear or not? Root of 265 must be equal to root of 212 plus root 5. Is it same?
No, sir.
No, sir.
How we can say what is the value of root of 265 approximately? 16 square is 256 you told. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And 17 square is 289. So 212. Anywhere we done any mistake? Here minus 2 minus 2 minus 11 minus 3. We need to get a perfect square, then only it will be easy to calculate. At least multiples of 5s we need to get. 11 minus 3, 8, 62. Okay, you can say not in collinear. Just you can mention it as a not collinear. These are the not collinear. Suppose if you are getting the answers are like any, these are the two small values. If you are getting AB plus BC is equal to AC, then only you can say ABC are collinear. I will give one question related to this. Check whether the points are collinear or not. Check whether the points are collinear or not. A, B, C are collinear or not. A is equal to 3, comma 1. B is equal to 6, comma 4. C is equal to 8, comma 6. Find the AB value and the BC value and AC value. Calculate and let me know. What is the AB value? 6 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. That is 9 plus 9, 18, 3 root 2. 8 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square. That is 4 plus 4. Root 8, 2 root 2. AC is 8 minus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square. That is 25 plus 25. Root 50. So 5 root 2. So this is a bigger one out of 3. So AB plus BC, that will be equal to 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. That is 5 root 2. AC is equal to 5 root 2. From here I can say AB plus BC is equal to AC. This is possible when A, B, C are in the same line, where B is in between A and C. So AB plus BC is AC. So from here I can say ABC are collinear. This is how we can prove collinearity conditions using distance formula. The same collinear condition you can prove using the triangle formula, but this year we don't have triangle, so don't do with the triangle formula proving the collinearity condition in the examination, because it is eliminated from the syllabus. It's out of the syllabus, that means you should not use. Keep it in mind. If it is fine, I will move to the next one. After that I will leave you. You just practice some questions, complete the probability. After that you start doing the coordinate geometry. Suppose if I am giving the 4 points A, B, C, D. So how I can say these 4 points will form what kind of shapes? The 4 points will form what kind of shapes? Sandhya, what are the 4 kind of shapes can form?
Square, rectangle.
And 4 points are non-collinear. So it may form square, it may form rectangle, or it may form parallelogram,
Rhombus.
or rhombus. Any other? Any other chances are there? Niranjan? Akash?
Trapezium.
Correct. Trapezium. Any others? If quadrilateral also I can say. Quadrilateral means neither square, neither it's not square or rectangular, parallelogram or rhombus or trapezium. Some other, just it is formed by four lines. It's a closed figure, 4 lines. So how I can prove square, guys? How I can prove
Sir,
squares?
equal and
Sir, the
that
distance.
Uh, First question: how I can prove square?
The distance between all the points should be equal.
That means you are saying AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, correct?
Yes, sir.
But when I am proving all the sides are equal, it may be square or it may be rhombus also. So using this condition, I can able to find out whether it is square or whether it is rhombus. Then how I can decide the given figure is any one only possible now? It can't be two simultaneously, correct? How I can take which is square or rhombus? How I can prove? Ranjan, how which condition will differentiate square and rhombus?
their angle.
Don't know how to find out the angle. That's in another level. In +1 only it will come. How to find out the angle if the 4 points are given. Suppose if AB points are
Sir,
given, CD point is given. Yes,
the diagonals.
correct. In square, diagonal lengths are
Equal.
equal. In rhombus, diagonal lengths are not equal. Simple. Same as how I can decide whether it is a rectangular parallelogram. First, I can find out when I can say it is a rectangle. Suppose if I am getting AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD, for example. And this condition says either it should be a rectangle or either it should be a parallelogram. But here also same A, B, C, D. If diagonals are same length, AC is equal to BD. The fifth, first find out the AB, BC, AC, and BC, CD, and AC, AD. So based on this, whether you can able to identify whether it is a rectangle or square or rhombus or parallelogram. Any two, so you can eliminate out of these two options. You can eliminate. After this, by taking the diagonals concept, you can finalize which is it was. Is it clear, guys? Trapezium is out of. Trapezium will come only when you know how to calculate the angles. Angle concept only they will ask the trapezium related. Till that, if four sides are different sides, you can say straight away it's a quadrilateral. You can say straight away it's a quadrilateral. Because all are comes under quadrilaterals only. A square you can call as a quadrilateral, rectangle also you can call as a quadrilateral. What kind of quadrilateral means you have to apply these conditions. Is it clear, guys, so far? Next class we'll start some questions related to this and we'll move to the section formula. So once we done the section formula, that's the end of the coordinate geometry. And I will give the area of the triangle formula also. It's a straight formula which is derived from derivation is not required. Even in +1 also you are not bothering about the derivation. Skip it, mind. So We'll try to wind up by Monday or Tuesday this coordinate geometry. Is it clear? Shall I wind up the class? Complete the probability within an hour or 1 hour or 2 hours. I will upload the science worksheet. Just try to solve that one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.